Subramanian Swamy, Janata Party chief, has upped the ante yet again against Rahul Gandhi. Swamy has moved. The EC submitted a petition to re-recognize the party also. Let's listen into him.
Sending me letters because my waste paper basket is quite full. I can't go on throwing their junk materials. I am telling him that don't give me advice not to give advice. Don't send no stupid notices. Go to court. Why are you afraid to go to court? You announced that you will go to court. You are not gone to court yet. Darpok.
Okay. Very quickly in Hindi. Petition file. पिटीशन फाइल हो गया है इलेक्शन कमीशन में। आप लोगों ने सारे दस्तावेज जमा कर दिए होंगे। मोटे तौर पे आम आदमी की भाषा में जो उसके अंदर मेजर पॉइंट्स रखे गए हैं तो क्या है
उसमें? यही है कि जहां तक अभी तो इलेक्शन कमीशन का ही है और इलेक्शन कमीशन को अधिकार है कि कोई पार्टी की मान्यता को समाप्त करने के लिए यदि वो इलेक्शन लॉ के अनुसार नहीं काम करेगी। इलेक्शन लॉ में बिल्कुल साफ लिखा है, सेक्शन 29A ऑफ द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पीपल्स एक्ट, कि आप डोनेशन ले सकते हैं। डोनेशन लेने का कोई प्रावधान है ही नहीं, तो ये इसीलिए इसमें सुनवाई होनी चाहिए और तय होना चाहिए।
होगा क्या, कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन क्या रहेगा?
वो तो इलेक्शन कमीशन को तय करना ना। वो छानबीन करेंगे और कांग्रेस को नोटिस भेजेंगे, फिर सुनवाई होगी।
मोटे तौर पे जो देखा जाए इसमें जो डिफॉल्ट्स हुए हैं, जो गलत हुआ है, उसे हम किस तरीके से देखेंगे? मतलब इसमें हुआ,
अब देखिए इस सारी चीजों पर तुम कितने आगे जा रहे हो। मैंने तो सर्कुलेट कर दिया है प्रेस, उसमें मैंने सारा बता दिया। अब पहले ये कदम, पहले तो आप कहते कोर्ट नहीं जा रहे हैं, कोई अदालत में नहीं जा, अब मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन में चले गया हूं। मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि जब ये क्यों मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन में इसलिए गया क्योंकि जनार्दन द्विवेदी ने स्वीकार किया कि मैंने हम लोगों ने कर्जा दिया, तो ओके मेरा अब और कुछ करना नहीं है, कोई जांच का सवाल नहीं है, तो मैंने सीधा चले गया। वो वहां भी मान लें कि हमने 50 करोड़ लाख रुपए देकर 1600 करोड़ रुपए का बिल्डिंग लिया है, किराए में दिया है, फिर मुझे जांच की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं चले जाऊंगा। तो हर बात पर हमें अपने विधि व्यवस्था में उपाय है।
जनार्दन द्विवेदी ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस दोपहर में बुलाई और उसमें साफ कहा कि जो लोन दिया गया है वो बेसिकली उस पर इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले गया, तो कमर्शलाइज कैसे हुआ?
देखिए हमारी समस्या है देश में कि कांग्रेस वालों को कानून नहीं पता है और हमारे पत्रकारों को कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है। कोई कानून पढ़ के नहीं जाता है साहब। ये तो एक कुंभ मेला जैसा है आपकी जमात, कोई भी आ जाए कोई भी चले जाए। जाकर देखिए कानून में लिखा है कि कर्जा नहीं दे सकते हो। ब्याज का सवाल बाद में आता है, 0 में दे, 1% में दे, 100% में दे, वो तो सवाल है। कर्जा तो कर्जा है, जब आप कर्जा देते हो उसको वापस लेना है। इसके माने किसी फायदा के लिए आपने कर्जा दिया है, किसी काम से दिया है, वो आपको अधिकार नहीं है। ये दुकान आपके लिए पार्टी नहीं बन सकती।
आखिरी एडवाइस उन्होंने कहा है कि सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी कांग्रेस पार्टी को कैसे राजनीति करनी है और क्या काम करना है उसकी एडवाइस ना दें।
तो मैं उनसे कहूंगा तो आप मुझे चिट्ठी मत लिखिए जिसमें गंवार के जो ज्ञान है वो दिखाई पड़ती है, समझे? जो लाठी चलाता है, भैंस चलाता है, उसकी भाषा में वो हमें चिट्ठी लिखते हैं। अरे कुछ कानून पढ़ के सुनाओ। तुम्हें क्या क्यों ये नोटिस भेजने की जरूरत है? मैं तो कह रहा हूं सीधा कोर्ट में चले जाओ।
Well, a scathing attack there from Subramanian Swamy, really escalating that war of words as well with the Congress party, specifically Rahul Gandhi. Atish Srivastava, Associate Editor, has been tracking developments, joins us for a live update. Atish, really strong words there. He's approached the EC as well for intervention and really going ahead and telling Rahul Gandhi in no uncertain terms, don't write letters to me, go and, present your explanation to the courts.
Well, exactly. It's an out-and-out war between Subramanian Swamy and Congress leaders, especially Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. He has taken this war to a different level. Now he is moved to Election Commission seeking de-recognition of Congress party because he is of a strong view that as a political party, you cannot give donation in any commercial organization. Yes. You can only donate anyone for a political activity, and there was no political activity involved in National Herald revival or general revival. So this is something which is now clear because Janardan Dwivedi also came out in open and said that there was no profit, there was no interest, there was no commercial transaction, there was no business interest as far as the donation is concerned, because this is somewhat old congressman, especially he took name of Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi, who wanted this particular organization to be there. So that is the very reason why Congress wanted to help. Apart from that, they wanted to help 700 families, but Whether this will be able to, silence Subramanian Swamy or BJP, it seems unlikely, because BJP also just had a press conference, clearly said that no political party can give any kind of donation or loan to any commercial organization, and this is a clear violation of not only Representation of People's Act but also income tax law. So this war will be there for more, and we can expect more fireworks in days to come, because Subramanian Swamy has moved to Election Commission. Now Election Commission will have to pass the ruling whether this is actually a violation or not. But this is a golden opportunity which the opposition parties have got, and they all are together right now because they know that they have got something in hand to target Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi now.
And, even dismissing that argument put forth by Janardhan Dwivedi when he said that, there wasn't any interest coming across, so this is not something, which was a commercial activity. But that said, Subramanian Swamy also saying that the basic rule first up is that as a political outfit, you can't be giving up any loans. But seeking for the de-recognition of the party as well, I mean, he said that the EC will take the final call, but that's where it has to stop as well, because there have been other rules which have been flouted across party norms as well. You think the Congress won't be so jittery as Subramanian Swamy would like to believe?
Well, Congress knows that they haven't done anything wrong. They are very well prepared with their paperwork. They know that legally they also stand on a firm ground. But it's all about political warfare. It's all about politics. They know that BJP knows that their president was in a soup in just a couple of days back, and now they have targeted. Now they have opportunity to target Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. So it's like a political warfare between two alliances like NDA and UPA.
All right, Atish will continue tracking developments. For the moment, Atish pointing out that even the BJP has upped the ante, a very good opportunity for them, well, to drive home the point that is, of course, of corruption that they've been working on. Atish, thanks very much for joining us.